8 months ago, they were dispatching these ambulances to help out with the pandemic in New York. Now, it's on their own doorstep. In North Dakota, case numbers are rising faster than anywhere in the U.S.
We're seeing all of the wings and the nursing staff and the doctors just swamped. Like, they're stretched so thin, and they're working around the clock with all of these different, COVID-positive patients.
This is one of those hospitals in Jamestown. Almost at capacity, it activated its surge plan last week. And in a rural hospital, patients are often friends and neighbors.
I think everyone here has had to take care of a few people that they've had, that they've known and didn't have the greatest outcome neither, especially when, see their family members in the store. It's almost hard to look them in the eye. You in your heart believe you did everything you could, but it's hard. So that's all I got.
They're all feeling the strain, exhausted, at times overwhelmed.
Just the little things like sitting with them and holding their hand, and that's hard.
Hi.
Lynn was admitted on Friday.
You change your life to the isolation more, you're doing all this stuff, and then all of a sudden you've got it. And it's like, where did I get it from? For so long, it didn't touch us, and it's getting scary, and the death rate is going up.
They always said social distancing would be easy in the wide open of America's prairies, but in places like Jamestown, the joke's wearing thin. The coronavirus mortality rate in North Dakota is now the highest, not just in the US, but in the world. And the governor has only just issued a mandate to wear masks. Even now, some think that's wrong.
Is this going to be broadcast in North Dakota? And I think it stinks.
In the quilting shop, Trish and Bev express what many here think.
If you could convince me that living my life any different would help, maybe I'd listen. But, it seems to me we're living our lives the way we are. Numbers are going up all across the nation anyway. So I haven't really seen enough evidence yet that convinces me that I should stay home and twiddle my thumbs and weep over it. But that's harsh. That's North Dakota harsh.
What will be harsh, doctors say, is the coming winter. Family gatherings at Thanksgiving and Christmas, making things worse. And the peak here, still to come. Greg Milam, Sky News, North Dakota.